Welcome to our van life with our three little chihuahuas, episode 88. We spent time looking for a spot to spend the night in the middle of nowhere on our way to Death Valley and encounter another storyteller along the way. We thank you all for watching. We are back in by the
Eastern Sierras.
And we are looking for a BLM spot to spend the night because tomorrow morning we're headed out to Death Valley.
Yep, Death Valley National Park is the goal. We saw some reports after they just opened in mid-October that there's an actual lake in the Badwater area, so we're gonna hope to check that out if it still exists. We're on a spot that I found on Campendium that's actually off of Highway 178 that kind of curves into 190, and it's called NATO Road. Easy to find the coordinates on Campendium or iOverlander, but it doesn't look like anybody's out here, so we're expecting some pretty good privacy. We're about halfway there off the main road. It's actually paved, which is amazing for BLM, and we're gonna set up camp for the night and hopefully have a nice quiet night of sleep after we eat and get up early in the morning and head into Death Valley. We'll take you along for the ride.
We changed our clocks back from daylight savings time to Pacific Standard Time, and right now it's 4:38 p.m. but the sun is already setting. It's starting to get a little dusky, so we will, once we're stopped, we'll set up camp really fast so that we still have a little bit of light. While we still have a little bit of light left. And we've got a new box, Chewbacca, BobaFett, and Bail Organa. We're trying to look for our spot. How about there on the left?
Should we go a little bit further away from those guys?
No, it's fine.
Oh, here. How about here?
Yeah. Haven't been able to find a spot yet because it looks like the roads are closed to where there are flat surfaces.
Traveled as long as we have a turnaround spot. So we just found a spot off these BLM roads where we were gonna park, is where you see some lights over there. But there's a pretty decent sized group and nobody else is out here. Just very minimal lights. But it's just off of OHV road. Thankfully has a little lip, so we didn't have to worry about any getting stuckage or damage. And it's reasonably flat. So this is going to be home for the night. Tomorrow, we're off to Death Valley. This was home last night. A
little bit outside Death Valley. Not too many people out here. A Jeep, where it was going dark, went up that road. And luckily we found this little spot, because the other spot over there was taken. We're gonna be back on the road over the hills. Boba is exploring the road. So it's sunrise just outside of Death Valley. As you can see, it's a beautiful view out here in the desert. We found this little pad of flat spot on the side of a BLM OHV road off of NATO Road. That's just a little juncture off 178. As you can see, there's nothing out here, just a couple salt flats behind me against the mountains, and then the eastern Sierras on this side. And it is quiet, and this is the desert. Not much to do. There's another campendium designated spot behind me that you can kind of see that there's a small group camping there. So we were targeted there, but there's definitely some other options out here, thankfully, because this is all BLM territory. So we had to navigate a couple little ridges and rocks. We're about like 40 minutes away from the Death Valley entrance and 2 hours away from Badwater Basin. So we're gonna get going and probably make breakfast while we're in the park, just so we can get in early and hopefully beat any crowds on a Saturday in November. We'll see you soon. The ancient burrows. It's a big old guy. I was wondering why the car was stopped. Just chilling. Got some gas at Stovepipe Wells, and they got some camping back here too. I should park right in front of him. Oh, he's got the Illuminous. Or oh wait, is that the Illuminous or is that the
I think it's just
that might be the owl ladder. It's got the ladder. Hotel T.